Alright guys, welcome back to another big mouth bass video. Today's video, we're fishing the little river right here behind me. Gonna be throwing paddle tail swim baits again. Going for after walleye in this video. We did catch a ton of them, so stick with it, stay tuned, see what we can catch. There's one. Looks maybe like a smallie. Might be a walleye. It's a little walleye. Just a baby. Oh no. Sorry, bud. Come here. First one of the day, guys. Little like 11, 12-inch walleye. Still pretty cool though. Let's put him back. See about it. There's one. Another walleye. Doesn't feel too big. Another little one. A little bit bigger than the last. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Nice little walleye. Put the rod down quick. There he is. Beautiful little walleye. These things are so much fun catching them in the fall. There she goes. Let's get back out there. There's a good one. Just kidding, not too big. About the same size, probably. Might be a little bit bigger. Nonetheless, though, third walleye of the day. We're getting them today, guys. Look at that one. Nice gold walleye. Throw him back. See ya, bud. Ooh. Let's catch some bigger ones now. Ask and you shall receive, but another little one. I don't even think this is a walleye. It feels like a smallie. Maybe it is. Yeah, it is. Another little walleye. This one's tiny. Number 4. Probably the smallest of the day. Hopefully we can just keep getting bigger ones now. See ya, buddy. Oh, look at that, guys. Someone else has been catching walleyes down here too. There's looks like 3 dead ones in the water, all filleted up. Looks like some nice ones too. Nice little 17, 18 inches. Hopefully we can get a couple that big. Ooh. That was a fish, I think. I don't know what that was. Something like chased it to the shore, maybe. Could probably just pike. Piker. Sometimes walleye as well. I don't know. He didn't come back for it, so it could have been a walleye. Usually a pike will attack that thing 10 times or until it gets caught. There he is. It's a walleye. Got us number 5. Oh, they are hungry today. About the same size. Hopefully we can get a couple bigger. Go that plastic, bud. There you go. Another little walleye, guys. Probably, I don't know, 11, 12 inches. See if I can gently throw him back here. It's a little muddy. There he goes. See you, bud. There's a big one. Not crazy, but biggest of the day for sure. Just kidding, he's like the same size. But probably is the biggest of the day. Another nice little walleye. Come on, pop out of there. There you go. Nice little walleye. He's bleeding a little bit, so we're gonna toss him back really quick. Kind of gotta drop him. There she goes. About a 13-incher there. Nice little walleye. There's one. Feels like a better one. Yeah. It's a bit better of one. There we go. Probably about a 14, 15-incher again. Perfect eater, but not taking any home today. But another nice little golden walleye. Let's put this guy back. There he goes. Hiding right under a log right here. I don't get that. I've seen so many walleye do that. The second you let them go, they just kind of swim off and sit right down, like maybe 20 feet out. I don't get it. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Here we go. This is a big fish, guys. That'll be a big walleye. Oh, it's a gator. No. I thought I had a big walleye finally. Let's see if I can grab this guy. It's probably gonna break me off. Got him. No, I thought I had a big walleye. It's fine. It's a nice little northern, probably about 22, 23 inches. Let's throw this guy back. See ya, bud. As you guys could see from the video, pretty fun day on the river today. Of course, we got to catch a northern. Wouldn't be a real day on the river without catching one of them. So that was kind of cool, but also kind of crappy. But yeah, we had around 13 to 14 walleye today, so it was a pretty good day of fishing. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.